Ayan. Okay. Yun. Napindot natin, no? Pero again, you know, social mores right now are changing. Before, okay lang yung beso-beso. Parang mas gusto to kaysa sa Popeyes, ha?
Miss Chicha is waking up!
ABS-CBN somehow has maintained that stature. Tinanong ko sa kanya, may multo ba rito? Alright, oy mga Kuyakoy, this is Kuya Mike, ang Kuya nyo sa Amerika, and this is for the Kuyakoy list. Alright, so, hindi yata ako naka-Kuyakoy Life shirt. But that is fine. This is a Banana Republic shirt. We can still do and, you know, wear other shirts. So right now we're using the Banana Republic shirt, which is so comfortable. It's very retro sa akin, lalo na sa mga batang 80s, na gaya ko. Tapos may mga iba pa akong shirts dyan na ginagamit ko, lalo na yung sa H&M. Actually, Banana Republic and H&M ang ginagamit ko. But, of course, you know, again, I am Kuya Mike. I'm the owner of the Kuyakoy Life and the Kinder Life shirts. Just letting you know, this is the month of June. Daming nangyayari. So, we're gonna come up with several shirts dahil Father's Day, di ba? And then there's going to be Philippine Independence Day. And then this is Pride Month as well. And at the same time, Juneteenth, na kung saan ay parang may emancipation ng mga blacks from slavery here in the United States. So it is a celebration. It is a commemoration at the same time. Sa mga dates na ito, we will have shirts from Kuyakoy Life and the Kinder Life na aakma sa mga celebrations na to. So please, pakilala nyo po itong mga shirts na to all around the world. Europe, USA, Canada, all around the world na kung saan mga Filipinos at yung mga Filipino by heart makakakuha nito, just showing that pride and showing the culture, the funny things about us, our traits sa pagiging Pinoy. So, check nyo lang yung ating Shopify website and even sa Etsy. Etsy, makakuha na rin po kayo ng mga shirts na ito. Alright, so sampulan ko lang kayo because I actually nag-order ako for some of kamag-anak actually. Yan. In-order ito ng tita ko. And that is shirt. Ganda ng design, di ba? Pinay. So this is Pinay shirt na Philippine flag motif ang kasama. Anong mga elements dyan. Very beautiful na Pinay. And then, as well, ito naman, another Pinay shirt. And this time around, mapa ng Pilipinas ang nandyan. Okay? Any case. Alright, so ang pag-uusapan natin is itong parang kumukulo-kulo na kwento ni Axel at ni Christine. I'm sure this hindi naman to malala, no? Hindi na storya. In a way, maraming kapupulutan ng mga aral on what to do, on yung pagiging awkward natin socially, lalo na sa pagbeso-beso. So ito ay nangyari last week. I think, napanood ko ito live kung saan si Christine, na obviously babae, searcher, at dyan ay kasama sa searchy ay si Mr. Axel. So, alam niyo naman, nandun rin si Vice, nandun din sila Jong, at the very end, di ba, na kung saan ang searchy ay pupunta dun sa searcher para magpakilala after nakapili na yung searcher ng gusto niyang makadate. So, ito nga ay si Searchy na si Axel. So, itong si Axel was not the chosen one. There was another guy who was chosen as a possible date. Siya ay Searchy number 3, nagpakilala. And then, nung nagpakilala, para bang kinuha niya yung kamay ni Miss Christine and then aakma na gustong bumeso. Because nga, parang nakita, and if you take a look at the video, dahil chinek ko uli, talagang parang nakita natin si Christine was not comfortable na may pupunta sa personal space niya habang siya ay nakaupo dun sa upuan. Kumbaga nakatayo si Axel and then nakaupo itong si Miss Christine and then kinuha yung kamay and then lalapitan. And then si Vice saw and witnessed the whole thing, parang nakapag-react na, oy, do not do that. Do not force yourself, just like that. And then, because of that, parang nakapagsalita pa na baka pwede ka maidemanda. Marami na ang nag-react. Kasi number one, pinahiya daw ni Vice si Axel. Pangalawa, there is parang sinasabi na pag hindi ka gwapuhan, bastos na. Pero pag gwapo, okay lang. So, two things ang binibigay doon, mga issues na yon. Because of that, I think Vice tried to apologize na parang hindi naman nadampian yung mukha daw ni Christine. Yun ang sabi ni Christine. So, nag-apologize, nag-retract. Ayan. Okay. Yun. Napindot natin, no? So, nagsalita si Vice na, you don't do that. So, nakapag-retract si Vice na tipong, okay, I retract ba, na-offend ko or baka nagkamali siya ng perception. Again, this is more of a perception na tipong baka okay lang naman kay Christine, baka hindi naman talaga naka-offend. Pero again, you know, social mores right now are changing. Before, okay lang yung beso-beso. Even hindi mo ganong kakilala. Pero right now, there is such a thing na para bang lumalabag ka na sa personal space. Pag hindi mo kilala, or even kilala mo pa, you will have to check kung okay lang. And that is, you know, the ambivalence na tipong hindi mo alam kung pwede ka nang humalik, pwede ka nang umakma na humalik, or you don't even have to try. I'm sure Axel did not mean anything to this kiss. Probably it was more of socializing, more of over-eagerness, just to have that supposedly contact na para bang, nag-usap tayo, and then we become a bit personal, or we become personal kasi nga sa mga questions at mga answers na binigay ko. And why not? Dahil nasa public naman tayo. Pero, again, it now depends sa tao na mahalikan niya or ma-invade ng personal space. At kita mo naman sa video na itong si Christine was not very receptive dun sa pagpunta ni Axel dun sa space na yon. So nakaiwas siya, nakailag siya dun sa halik. In fact, napagsalita raw si Christine na hindi naman talaga siya nadampian. So, okay. But then, nung nasabi na yun at nakapagsalita raw si Christine, nakausap niya si Vice, na tipong hindi niya rin nagustuhan yung action na yun. But she had to say something, blurt out something sa kanyang social media na para bang okay lang, she did not get offended. Parang nag-recant na rin si Christine but would not be able to disclose kung ano talaga ang rason for that recantation. Ito naman si Vice, just last night, nag-recant na rin ng recantation niya, di ba? Na kumbaga, binubura niya yung pag-apologize sa pangyayaring ito. In other words, Vice says she doesn't have to apologize anymore because nailahad na yung pangyayari. At nakausap naman rin ni Vice si Axel. And nag-apologize na rin si Axel sa pangyayaring ito. I'm sure, again, wala siya sa isip na this parang social awkwardness and he wants to apologize to Vice. And he really wants to see Vice. And only because gusto niya makapagpa-picture with Vice ganda. And I'm sure Vice will oblige naman, no? Apologize naman sa Axel, and then, of course, nakausap niya rin si Christine. This whole situation is really instructive to us, to all of us, Filipinos, kahit sino. Kasi talaga nag-iiba na ngayon ang social mores. Ano bang social mores? Kumbaga norms. Iba na yung kinagawian. Dati, okay lang yung beso-beso. Okay lang na may dampi. Ngayon hindi na. Hindi na po pwede talaga. So, two things na pala na pwede kong i-suggest. One, let the writers tell all the searchies if kailangan mag-kiss, and if they want to, there is a need for a verbal, to ask verbally kung okay lang. And I've seen that na parang mga nagtatanong even yung sa mga, yung searcher, at the same time sa ex, na parang bang, can I hug you for the last time? So, ganun din dapat. Yun nga, magpapaalam for consent. Pangalawa, I wish masabihan yung searcher sa dulo na kinakausap siya ng ex at saka at the same time ng mga searchee, kung pwede, tumayo yung searcher. Para hindi naman siya yung parang siya yung sa baba, nakaupo, while yung ex at saka yung searchee nakatayo. Gives more power dun sa nakatayo, no? Which is yung searchee at saka yung ex. Habang ikaw naman parang nakaganon, nakatingin ka. So, hindi ka makagalaw, hindi ka makailag ng maayos, hindi pareho, hindi level. So, I wish ganun, na tumayo na lang, or yung searcher, para makaiwas siya. If she wants to, she can do a back step, or she can even go forward if there is consent. Para maka-forward, why not? Hug, kung sino man gusto niyang i-hug. So, ayun, yun ang two suggestions ko para mas klaro, mas malinaw. Okay mga kuya ko, this is Kuya Mike. Again, parang karugtong na ito ng issue regarding Axel and Christine. Dahil parang while I was gathering mga pictures na ipapasok natin sa video na ito, parang nag-iiba ang mga statements na lalo ni Christine, na parang hindi na mawari kung ano ba talaga ang tama o mali. Okay? So hindi ko alam kung tama si Christine, yung version niya, na again, paiba-iba. I don't know which version is correct now. Kay Axel, hindi ko alam rin kung anong statement niya. Now, hindi ko alam kung ang Showtime will give another statement to correct that. Dahil supposedly itong si Vice magre-recant na, mag-apologize even, and nasabi niya na hindi na siya mag-apologize. So, I don't know. So, parang paiba-ibang statements. And ganito talaga nangyayari sa mga kaso nagkagaya nito. No? Whatever case, may kanya-kanyang version, it changes a lot. You know, kung ano man ebidensya, kung ano man ang motivation ng mga ito. So, lalagyan lang natin alleged na hahalikan because we don't know. Ito po si Kuya Mike of the Kuya Ako'y List. It's a brands, branding, and shopping channel for the global Filipino. Check nyo lang yung ating website na Shopify, and then of course yung Etsy. Give this vlog a thumbs up and subscribe po kayo sa ating channel. Hopefully madagdagan pa ng madagdagan yung ating mga subscribers. Hit on that notification bell. Also, we still have that $1.99 per month, $1.99 per month, mga exclusives para maging members kayo. Again, ito po si Kuya Mike. Hanggang sa muli.